What?
We are.
The red light's on.
Oh.
Back here, Jess.
We're recording.
And there's Jessie on TV. Yeah.
Dad, we're recording.
No.
Yes, we are. The red light's on.
No, we're not recording.
Oh, look at it. Yes, we are. The red light's on.
Whoa. Not so close, kids.
Watch this. Ready? Gene, wait, watch this. Wait, Dad. Tape it on.
Don't.
Dad.
Okay, wait. Oh, there's. Oh,
Dad.
let me get Nikki. Let me get Nikki. Hi, Nick. Give me Nick. Any faces over this way, Nick?
Nick.
Nick.
Over here.
Oh.
Look at it, the TV. Oh.
See, we can't. It's tough. Oh, oh, who's that, Jess? Who's on TV now, Jess? Oh.
Dad, record the TV. Dad. Dad, record the TV. With me and the TV.
Yeah, we're getting some background noise from that. Let me see. Hold it. Let me see. Oh, there's two.
Dad, we are recording.
I know. And there's Timmy on TV too.
Hey, that one.
Oh, there's Jamie. There's Nikki on TV. Nikki, look this way. Oh, Nikki. Oh, there's Jess.
Fall downtown and take this. Oh, that was pretty. And the block dump and a chip on these.
Yeah, Tim. End up like a dog that's been beat too much.
Wait.
Till you
Fall
spend
downtown and
dead man's time.
First step I took was when I hit the ground. And the block stopped and the chip awesome. Nobody toss it, come on.
Tim, I think we have to work on the words. Let's get. Oh, Jessie. Oh, zooming in. Oh.
Cut. Dad, I'll get over here. Take one.
Tim. Who's on TV?
Cut. Over here.
Over here. What? Okay.
Feeding. Throw it. Oh no! Daddy, save me this!
Then what happens?
Then you gotta roll the die.
We have here how about a
You
VCR.
have to roll it. You can't roll a
VCR
6
football.
or 1.
I can't roll a 6 or a 1?
Yep.
I can roll something else?
To get the extra
What,
point.
is there loosen up behind your camera, Rich?
Oh.
6! You didn't get the extra point. Alright. Kick off.
Light. We got that light thing showing again. Let's see if we go with this backlight here. Light. I don't know what that means. So who's ahead there, Timmer? Steve just took the lead? Yeah, he's a football player from way back. Well, let's see. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in on Uncle Steve. Uncle Steve, how about a smile? Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, for posterity. Look at that. Okay, well, this is really quite a vocal group here. I think we'll be moving on to other areas. A little fade in here. And here we are starting up the stairs. One last parting shot. Oh, looks like John running. I can't believe this.
Really?
Yeah, that's a John run. Okay. Well, let's try these stairs here. Whoop. That's a corner of the stair coming.
I wanted.
Okay, we'll go for a. Whoa!